Hey guys, welcome to online learning. I'm going to give you a rundown of what our Math Strategies course page is going to sort of look like and some information about our class for the rest of the year. So on top of our course page, you're going to see my contact information. Just click and it'll pop up a picture. I'm going to have my email and my office hours. So if you want to contact me through email, the best time is during those office hours to ask me questions and get all your questions answered. Those are the times. It's always going to be posted in there for you to reference. Below that, we have our syllabus. I'll give you a quick rundown of what's in that. Got my email, the live time information. So let's start this out. The link for the live time is in Schoology. We meet twice a week, Tuesday, Thursdays from 1:40 to 1:55. So yeah, they're 15-minute sessions twice a week. So they're real short. They're twice a week. So you don't have a lot of time to be live. When we are live, it's the time is used for you to ask questions and for me to go over problems. That's what we're going to be doing during those session times. They're going to be recorded and posted to Schoology. That doesn't mean you don't need to come and attend them. You need to attend each one that you can. I will be taking attendance and they'll be helpful. So when I record, it won't be the recording of me and you interacting. It won't be you talking. The recordings will all be me. So I'm going to make sure it's all me talking and presenting problems that I record so that when you come check it out on Schoology and want to watch what happened during live time and what I taught, like the problems that I went over, you can just watch me talking. That's what I'm supposed to do. So I'm not going to record you. It's going to be me talking for what I post. Uh, Make sure you're doing each thing that you need to do for class, like you're coming to live sessions, you're doing each assignment, so because they are taking attendance on the things that we're doing online to make sure you're actually participating in everything. Lifetime expectations. We're going to be using Zoom, so I am able to set it to where each of your mics is muted. Your microphone is muted when you log in and join the session. It's automatically muted. For whatever reason, if you're not muted, you need to go ahead and mute yourself so that the video runs smoother. There's no lag and there's no background noise. Remember, you're on camera and live in some of these sessions, so you need to dress and act if you were in a normal classroom. Make sure you do that. Don't use the chat during our live sessions unless you're actually going to ask a question that's important for the class, like a math question. Don't just use it for random stuff. If for whatever reason you don't get your questions answered during live time, please email me. Don't just let the question go. Make sure you email me during those office hours. So you're going to watch a video. The next day you're going to have time during office hours and live time where you can ask questions. So you're going to watch the video the day before and then think about, well, what questions do I have? And then during office hours you can ask them. And during live time you can ask them. Here are my office hours. Just again, it's right there in the syllabus. It's also on the main course page and my contact info. Instructional videos, how's that going to look? Well, they're going to be 10 minutes or less. They're going to give you direct instruction, basically time where you sit and you learn information and you try to take notes as best you can. So, like I said, you're expected to watch the video before we meet for live time, so you know what questions you have. Extra resources, I posted this link for you to click on. It has some extra resources, math resources for you to check out if you want to. What will you be learning? For the rest of the year, this is what we're learning. So you're going to be learning about finding the square root of a number and squaring numbers, finding the cube root of a number and cubing numbers using the Pythagorean theorem, and finding the volume of a cylinder, pyramid, cone, and sphere. Assignments and quizzes and tests. Assignments are all in Schoology just like everything else is. There aren't any quizzes or tests for the rest of this year in this class. So again, no tests or quizzes in this class the rest of the year, just assignments. And those assignments are open note and you're allowed to use a calculator. Make sure you guys finish the school year strong. Let's go back to the main course page, my contact info, the syllabus, and then here's a pacing guide that I created for what you're going to be doing for the rest of the school year. So if we kind of scroll down here, we have the live dates. So these are when the date of the live sessions are. So this first live session is April 7th, and this is what I'm going to talk about. On April 9th, this is what I'm going to talk about. So on April 8th, you're going to watch a video about this. And on April 9th, you can ask these questions. And if I don't get any questions, I'm just going to go over some of this again. Okay? So watch the video the day before, and then on this day, this is the live session date for you to ask questions, and I'll go over a few problems during the time. So it has all of the school year planned out for us. Let's go back to the main course page. Below the pacing guide, here's the pacing guide. Below that is the live session link. You click it, you open Zoom, and that's how you get joining. That's how you join our live sessions. Your Freckle link is right here. There's your class code, PA343M. That's your class code right there. You click it, and that way you know the code. Below that is just all the weeks that I created, all the folders for the weeks. So during this week, you're going to click that, and then inside this folder is going to be the videos for the week, the assignments for the week, everything. So that's a rundown of what our course page looks like for the rest of the year and some information you need to know. If you have any more questions, please let me know through email. I look forward to seeing you guys on the live sessions and hearing from you a lot through email. If you have any other questions, just let me know. I'll talk to you all later.